Okay, hi guys. Today I'd like to talk about how to convert a polynomial or trinomial parabola into a equation with vertex form. Vertex form equation. So the vertex form would look like this: a multiplied by x minus h squared plus k, and the hk would be the vertex of the parabola, and the value a will decide whether or not it is positive or negative, to decide whether or not it is a smiley face or a frowning face. If a is a positive, then it's like this, it's a smiley face, and if a is negative, then it's going to be frowny face, not happy. Okay, not happy face. All right, now assuming that we have a polynomial that says 2x squared plus 4x minus 7, and you need to convert this thing, the whole thing, into the vertex form that looks like this. And in order to do so, you need to complete the square. Alright, so to complete the square, it is easier to factor out the 2 like that, because 2 times x squared is 2x squared, 2 times 2x will be 4x, and 2 times 7 over 2 will be 7. Okay, and now when you have the trinomial with the coefficient, the leading coefficient that says 1, is easier to do the completing the square. So what you can do is you go to multiply by x plus 1 square minus 1 minus 7 over 2. Okay, for this process you need to refer to my previous video that says how to complete the square. So I will advise you guys to look at that video before you come back to this. Okay, and the next step is so you go to multiply by x plus 1 square minus 2 over 2 minus 7 over 2. So you end up having 2 multiplied by x plus 1 square minus 9 over 2. Okay, and then the next step is you multiply in, you distribute again, you end up having 2x plus 1 square minus 9. Okay, and this will just you can compare this with what we have before over here. I'm going to write it over here besides here so that you can make a comparison. So compare it with a times x, I mean parentheses x times h squared plus k. So when you make a comparison, you can see that the hk will simply be negative 1 and negative 9, right? Over here h is negative 1, x minus negative 1 is x plus 1, and the k will just be negative 9. That will be the vertex. That will be the vertex of the parabola. Okay, and then the a is a 2. So on the graph you will see that that's how it's going to be. That's how it's going to look like, where the vertex will be a negative 1, negative 9. You see that? Okay. Alright. That's how we do it.